Welcome to the Adsonica Academy. In this video, you'll learn how to build a static audio display ad that combines a single image and an audio file, then deploy it via the Envisionwise platform in just a few minutes. You'll need three things before getting started. First, you'll need an image file, which can be a JPEG or a PNG. Second, you'll need an audio file, which can be an MP3 or an M4A. Your audio track can be any length, but we recommend using a track under 60 seconds to maximize engagement and optimize the ad loading speed. Make sure you've got these files saved to your desktop so you're ready to upload them. You could also just prepare a script and record your audio directly in Adsonica Studio. In addition to these creative elements, you need a target URL. That's the landing page the user will go to when they click anywhere on the ad apart from the listen button. When you've prepared these three elements for your ad, you're ready to sign into Adsonica Studio. Begin by choosing your ad size. For this video, I'm just going to pick the medium rectangle, which is one of the standard sizes. Welcome to the studio. On the left is the design bar where you upload your elements. So that's where you put your target URL, your ad image, and your audio track. In the center is the canvas where you see your audio display ad come to life. And in the top right-hand corner are buttons for saving and previewing your ad. Use the chat feature in the bottom right if you've got a question, and we'll be happy to help. Now there are 4 steps to creating your ad. Step 1 is to add your target URL. I want to direct people to adsonica.com for this ad. Step 2, upload your image. Click upload a file to pick an image you saved earlier. This one is a banner for an imaginary company called Baby Needs Co. We don't put a limit on the file size, but we recommend trying to keep the whole file under 200 KB. Step 3 is to add your audio. Again, load one of your files. I'm choosing a short clip which combines text-to-speech with a music bed. Again, there are no limits to the audio duration, but keep in mind that end file size. Finally, you need to choose a listen button, so we place a default one on your ad, which you can drag and drop to the best position, and we normally recommend the top left-hand corner. You can also upload one by clicking Image, create one by clicking Custom, or choose a preset from our gallery, which is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to pick the 20-second listen one, just so it matches the length of the audio track. I can also go into advanced options and choose to show the pause and stop icons after play, which just gives the user a bit more control over the audio. After completing these 4 steps, your ad is ready to preview, so click Preview in the top right-hand corner, then play the ad by clicking on the audio icon.
Sometimes the smallest things take up the most room in your heart. Head to babyneeds.co and benefit from up to 35% off baby shower decorations now.
If you want to make any changes, click the tab on the left-hand side to go back to the design bar. If you're ready, go up to the top right and click Save Ad. Then you've got a few options here. You can do a preview URL to share a link with a client, or if you're ready to upload your ad straight away to the Envisionwise Ad Manager, click Envisionwise under Download as Zip. Now you're ready to distribute your zip via the Envisionwise Ad Manager, so I'll jump over to the Envisionwise dashboard. First, you need to log into the Envisionwise dashboard, so I'm just going to click Sign in with my details. Then you need to navigate to Ad Manager, which can be found under Settings in the main toolbar. Under Ad Manager, click on Manage Ads. So I'm on the login page for the Envisionwise Ad Manager, and I'm just going to log in. So the first thing I need to do when I get into the Ad Manager is to check out my zones and ensure that I've set up a zone in the right size for the ad that I want to upload. So this one was a 300 by 250. If you haven't got a zone in the right size, click Add a new zone and then link it from the Envisionwise dashboard to your Ad Manager. Now there are 3 steps to getting my ad up and running. The first is to add a new advertiser. So I start off by putting in the basic information, and the name of the advertiser is Baby Co in this demo ad. Next I need to add a contact, so that's going to be myself as I want to get the reporting from the campaign. Then I click Save Changes. Step 2, once the advertiser has been added, is to add a campaign. We recommend doing remnant. You can fill in this extra information if you wish, but otherwise go straight down and click Save Changes. Finally, with my campaign added, all I've got left to do is add a banner. It's important that because we saved a zip file from Adsonica Studio, that you choose a HTML5 zip package. Then we need to name it, so I'll do baby code discount. Then I'll upload my zip file from my downloads. After choosing the file, you can add extra information. You don't need the URL because you added this in Adsonica. You do need to put in the size because that will help us find the right zone. And then just click Save Changes. What's left to do is preview and link it to a zone, so I click on the ad. And then we can interact with it here by clicking the play button.
Sometimes the smallest things take up the most room in your heart.
I'm happy with how that sounds, so I go to Linked Zones and I choose the 300 by 250 zone that I want to link it to. I'm going to go for Adsonica Badge 1 and click Save Changes. I can see at the top that one zone has been successfully linked to the ad. So let's check it out on the test website. On the website I can see that the ad is loaded into Badge 1. Let's click play to see if it works.
Sometimes the smallest things take up the most room in your heart.
Perfect. Now I just need to make sure it goes to adsonica.com when I click on it. And it does. So yeah, you always want to make sure that the listen button is working properly and that your click-through takes you to the right place. You can place audio display ads in any of the default zones on your website, or create a new one just to fit the ad. If you don't plan on using the Envisionwise Ad Manager, you can still manually upload your ad. From the dashboard, navigate to the side columns and start adding a new item. For the item type, you need to choose Adsonica and then click Add. Next, click the gear icon next to the new item, choose Adsonica zip file and upload the file that you saved earlier from the studio. Then just click Save Changes and your ad will be in place on your site. Thanks for watching this Adsonica Academy tutorial in partnership with Envisionwise. Now you're ready to distribute audio display ads, harnessing the power of audio to increase engagement and brand awareness across your website. If you need more help with Ad Manager, head to the Envisionwise Help Center. Otherwise, get started in Adsonica Studio today.